Need to turn HTML code or files into editable PPTX quickly? This tool is a must-have. It's super easy to use and the results are impressive. First, head over to the website. Under the Tools menu at the top, find HTML to PPTX. You've got two ways to upload. Either upload your HTML file directly or just paste the code. Choose whatever works best for you. A quick tip, make sure you're logged in before you start. I'm going with paste code here. Just copy your code and paste it right into the box. If you want to merge multiple pages into a single PPTX, be sure to click Insert Page Delimiter at the end of each page's code. Once everything is pasted, you can choose whether to embed fonts in the PPTX. Then hit Submit and let it work its magic. Wait a few moments and you're all set. Click Download in Task Details to save a zip file. Once unzipped, you will find your PPTX file inside. Let's check out the results. Compared to the original web page, the fidelity is incredibly high. Best of all, every element is live. Text, icons, and lines are all fully editable. No complex setup needed, just open it and go. Give it a try now.